Hi, I'm Akshay. I'm a CEO in the tech industry, and I'd rate Avodocs as a 5 out of 5. Before using Avodocs, I had basically just used our lawyers for trying to use templates, which was costly, and also tried to write up some of my own documents in Google Docs, both of which were very time consuming or cost a lot of money. And that's why I started researching tools like Avodocs, and Avodocs was kind of the easiest to get started. I really liked Avodocs and started to use it because they had all of the templates that I needed. So I was looking for templates for NDAs, for hiring contractors, and even templates as far as pilot agreements and sales agreements to get our customers up and running. They're all there, and it was free also to use those templates when I wanted to use them. So really easy to kind of get it up and running, and that's why I started using it. With Avodocs to get started, it was really easy. They had a free trial, which made the barrier to get started a lot easier. And yeah, compared to other solutions, I think they were the only ones that had that free trial. But for other people, I had to put in my credit card, which I didn't really want to do. And yeah, in terms of the onboarding, it was very straightforward. Their UI, it was really simple. I just had to sign up, choose the document I wanted, and fill in different gaps in the template, and that was it. And then I had what I needed. With Avodocs, I'd say the easiest way to get started would be to see if they offer the templates you want. You actually don't need to sign up. You can just search for the templates on the website. If they have it, I say there's no reason not to just sign up. And in terms of you know figuring out if you want to use Avodocs versus something else, um, I would say just try it out. I have a lot of friends who had recommended it to me, and there's no downside because it's free.